When we go back in history, according to the Webster Dictionary, fundamentalist was first used to describe a group of American Protestant Christians who protested against the church. The Christian church, they believed the message of the Bible was from God. These American Protestant Christians, they not only believed the message of the Bible was from God, but they believed that every word, every letter of the Bible, it is the word of God. If anyone can prove every word, every letter of the Bible is the word of God, then this movement is a good movement. Whereas on the other hand, if anyone can prove that the Bible is not the word of God, then this movement is not a good movement. According to the Oxford Dictionary, fundamentalist is a person who strictly adheres to the ancient doctrine of any religion. And in the revised edition of the Oxford Dictionary, fundamentalist is a person who strictly adheres to the ancient doctrine of any religion, especially Islam. This word, especially Islam, has been added in the revised edition of the Oxford Dictionary.